You're going to paint the vegetables too? Can you get the chicken's legs? Can you paint their legs too?
Have one?
You will have one. That's your favorite, right? The chicken leg?
Not eat a bone.
There's
Yucky.
a bone. Yeah, don't eat the bone. It's yucky. You're right.
This.
Yep. Don't worry. We'll wash his fingers, folks. Are you out of butter paint? Do you have enough?
Some more. Mom?
Yeah?
Some more.
More? Okay.
More.
Make sure you get the legs. Can you put some more on there on his big legs, the part you like to eat? Good painting.
Look painted a class.
Yeah, like painting in art class. You getting the vegetables too? You can get some of the oil from the bottom and put that on it. There used to be a mushroom there, huh? Uh-oh, this is quickly turning into a sport.
Mommy, please take not see ruffle potato mushroom in.
You want to put the
And
mushroom in? Go ahead.
And
You can take the lemon out. Go ahead. Can we have mushroom in there?
cook some mushroom doing here. Huh.
It's called Revel's Chicken. Put a mushroom in it. Alright, let's put the lemon back in. Remember, put it with the peel out. The other way. Can you turn it around and push it in?
Mom,
Yeah.
please push it in.
Sure. You did a really nice job. Yeah.